Fluid Resource Management specializes in water and wastewater system maintenance and rehabilitation. Located on the Central Coast, FRM can easily assist clients along the 101 and throughout the Central Valley. The Mechanical Division is comprised of a diverse staff of millwrights, pipe fitters, machinists, and electricians. FRM's maintenance and mechanical divisions have the manpower and equipment to assist your water or wastewater treatment plant staff with small to intermediate-sized projects, some of which include